bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Dude. The holidays are over. The holidays are over. Thank you. All right, but I do every year, like many of us, I pick up a couple of gifts for myself. So I've got 3 gifts here, just things I've been looking at. And let's unwrap. I'm gonna start with red. Beautiful red gift from Santa to Tony, the average guy. Wonder what's inside. All right. It's the Harry's Plus All Black Limited Edition. Harry's Plus. All right, that's nice. Throw that away. Well, next we have the plaid version. From Santa to the average guy. Let's open this up and see what this could be.
Don't you just love opening presents?
Oh, wonder what this could be. You hate when the wrapping paper doesn't come off? This is Chics Hydro Sensitive. The season to be dashing. All right. Okay. And last but certainly not least, we've got the snowman, again from Santa to the average guy. Another razor. Look at that. House of Atlas, the premium razor kit. And this beautiful metal handle, weighted for control with a magnetic hook and 2 refills. All right, so we've got 3 new razors to choose from for this next shave, and I think I'm going with Harry's Plus Black versus House of Atlas in a Christmas time shave wars. That's right, I'm pitting these 2 Target beauties up against each other in this video next on Average Guy Tested.
Hey.
All right, let's open up the Harry's Plus. I've done a couple of reviews of this razor lately. Here it is in the all black model. Oh, guys, this is super nice. The all black Harry's Plus razor. It's a hefty razor. Metal. You've got the Harry's little logo there. You got the 5 blades of fun, loop strip up top with aloe. You've got your rubber guide at the bottom. Nice Harry's logo there. Nice mechanical pivot. Just a nice razor, good heft. Designed like the old Mach 3 from Gillette. Just very, very nice. I love the all black finish. It's a metal handle. It's all black. Wow. Let's pull out the House of Atlas razor. And box opens. Boy, these things are hard to open up. The packaging on this is really, really nice if you can get it open. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Now this doesn't look anything like it was pictured on the outside. It looked like a dark color on the outside, and I have, this is silver, like a chrome color. So this is a little bit of false advertising here. Oh, gunmetal. This is not gunmetal. This is a chrome version. And I'm not loving it. it looks like plastic, feels like plastic. So that's interesting. A little skip-diddy-doo-dah. So to me, this is very plastic feeling and certainly not gunmetal. But if we get in here, it's a chic, right? 5 blades, you've got the gel pods up top, you've got your rubber guide at the bottom, you pull this back and you expose the precision trimmer. On the Harry's Plus, the precision trimmer is on the back. Now, right off the tip, from an aesthetics point of view, I'm really liking the Harry's Plus. It feels more premium. This looks and feels somewhat cheap, guys. Although I think it was packaged incorrectly. This is not gunmetal. This is a chrome, like a faux chrome. Let's see if it comes with its magnetic case here. Metal handle, weighted for control, magnetic hook. Let's see, does this? I don't know. Yeah, I guess it is a magnetic hook. But that certainly to me does not look like gunmetal. Looks like chrome, but a fake chrome. I'm not excited about that. All right, but Shave Wars, the holiday edition, coming up next. Only on Average Guy Tested. Dude, for those of you who may not know, I've been doing predictions of Nick games lately. It's a series called Nick's Predict. It's kind of taken my focus off shaving for a while. And I'm back. I'm never going to give up the shaving content. And that's why I'm here today. Coming off a loss, 2 losses in a row. But my prediction model, which I call Nova 51, has been correct in 11 out of the last 14 games. 11 out of the last 14 games. So I'm riding a 2-game losing streak, which I don't like. But let's get to shaving. You don't want to hear about that. You came here for the shave, not the loser's lament. All right. Using Edge Gel, which goes on nice and easy. You can add some water if you'd like to. You use a brush if you'd like to. I think I'm going to do both. Using my favorite Pacific shaving brush to add a little bit of moisture to the mix. So as I typically do with Shave Wars, I'm going to use one razor on this side of the face and one razor on this side. I'm going to start with the House of Atlas razor. And I'm going to start right here with a with grain pass. Very nice, very smooth. No nicks, no tugs. Very, very nice. Good pivot. But again, this is very plastic in feel. So I don't know what's going on here. I'm not a fan of the feel of this. Feels very low budget. But the shave is smooth. It's nice. This plastic chrome is a little on the slippy side, but it's done nice work with about a week's worth of growth. All right, let's come over to this side of the face with the Harry's Plus. Just night and day difference. Just hefty, beautifully crafted. Just, yeah. Let's see how it compares in shave. Very nice. Very, very nice. Similar feel. No nicks, no pulls, no tugs. Very compact feel to it. Nice. I want to say that the House of Atlas razor felt a little bit more efficient in its handling of that stubble off the tip. if I'm being honest. Harry's Plus wins in every other category. The look, the feel of it, the heft, the build quality. It seems as though this House of Atlas was just a little bit more efficient. Got rid of the stubble a little faster. Let's do the feel test. Comparable amounts of stubble on both sides. Let's go with the second pass. Add a little bit more near hot. We'll go back to the edge gel. I didn't like how it performed on that brush, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more water in the palm of my hand and apply. There you go, nice. And I'm gonna go with the second pass, which will be a cross grain pass and maybe a little cleanup stroke or two against the grain. Here's the House of Atlas. I'm gonna do cross grain strokes. Nice. Very nice. No nicks, no tugs, no irritation to speak of. This is a little on the wide side here, but it works well. Let's come back over here with Harry's Plus. Nice. There's more precision with this razor. I can feel the blades a little bit more. So if you like that, you'll like the Harry's Plus feel. It's not a harsh razor, but it's just beautifully designed. Look at that. Final pass, we're gonna go back to our Edge Extra Moisturizing Gel. Take a little bit more of that, and we're gonna come up with our clear winner and do our last pass, which will be an against grain pass. And for my money, Harry's Plus All Black is the winner. Just overall, just a better design, more robust design, something I'd be proud to shave with. The House of Atlas razor to me is very cheap, especially with the luxury upgraded model that it's supposed to be. I think maybe this might be the wrong razor in the package. I'll have to look at the original House of Atlas gear that I have just to compare the two. But hands down to me, the Harry's Plus is the way to go. Just really nice. The original Harry's has a somewhat unforgiving feel. This Harry's Plus has been smoothed down. I would liken it to a sports car where you feel all the bumps and the curves and the turns, to like a luxury sedan where you're feeling limited road turbulence. You're feeling that smooth ride. You're classic. It's built well. It's elegant. Feels and looks quality. And that's what this razor is. It's a quality razor. And this guy, I don't know. All right. So there you have it, guys. A quick shave. And thanks for your patience waiting for the next shaving video. For those of you that have been waiting, it has been a while, and I will get more coming in the near future, including this chic, 'tis the season to be dashing. This will be my next shave. 2025 holiday collection coming to you soon. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, keep pushing play. Now, Haley, Roll the music.
Roll the music.
Dude.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you away.